So, which one you want? Good morning or good afternoon? Good morning. Okay. So, welcome one and all for this 3 days retreat, spiritual retreat. The name of this course is kept as Metamorphosis. Okay. Now, people ask me why this metamorphosis. Many of you know metamorphosis, what it means. A crawling creature turns into a butterfly, flying creature. So now, I don't know whether my students will fly, but Guruji has been flying. What I was been conducting classes on spirituality and meditation in the ancient way, it is Upanishad and meditation, chakra, dhyana and all. So many people said, Guruji are in ancient times, okay, we need some modern education. So from at least Guruji has got transformed from old way of teaching to modern way of teaching with PPT and PowerPoint presentation and multimedia. So that's my transformation. That's why my name is Metamorphosis. So Metamorphosis of Guruji. Now at the end of the day, whether some students will get Metamorphosis, we will see. Right? That is the course is all about. It's about transformation. Inner transformation, inner journey. I have been doing these classes in a very traditional way for a long time. And for the younger generation, more of the newer generation, sitting and listening to Upanishad and Vedanta becomes slightly difficult. So I thought I'll teach in a slightly modern way, so bear with me. Okay? It looks more colorful and more ultra modern. Okay? Then we are asking, why are you wearing this dress? I am not very comfortable with the half pant and so next time when you come, I will change the dress. Okay. This is about metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means a transformation. It's about a newer you. A newer you. You have grown old. Year after year, after celebrating so many birthdays, you become older and older. Right? Is there a possibility of rejuvenation and becoming a new you? That possibility we are addressing here. Is it possible to think in a new way? Look at the world in a new eyes. That possibility is metamorphosis. Now this is not one-time metamorphosis. Okay? So one day, that creature, what is it called? Caterpillar becomes a butterfly. After it becomes a butterfly, that's all over, transformation is over. But this metamorphosis transformation is not one time. It happens every day, every minute. So, is there a way of learning? Looking at life with the fresh eyes every minute, every hour, every day. Like a child looks at the world. That is metamorphosis. All of you were children. You looked at the world in a very fresh eyes. What happened to those eyes? Over a period of time, something has stagnated. Body becomes old, doesn't matter. The mind has become slightly old. The childhood, the child in us is missing somewhere. The spirituality means don't think it's a big words. It's basically simple. Discovering the simple child in us. That is metamorphosis. Next question. So, there are some new faces, there are some old faces. First, let us start a introduction. Now, introduction not for me, introduction for each of you. You have to introduce yourself to each of you. And only 5 minutes are there. There are about how many? For 35 participants are there. In 5 minutes, you have to introduce and know about some different number of more people. Okay, very quickly you have to do that. And those who know, those who introduce themselves to maximum number of people will get a prize. And those who not able to introduce to many people. They're sitting or introduce one person that only I know me. Okay, rest of the people I don't know. They will have to do 10 times the busking here. Okay, I am very strict, right? Some people say I am old and all, I can't do. Then you have to do twice, 20. Is clear? The rules are clear. So that this thing is there. The drums is there. Okay, with the time starts. You can't get up, start. Okay.
Probably know me.
See the direction.
Uma Sharma.
Uma Sharma.
Yeah, Prasad's sister. You know me better that way.
You stay in Hyderabad?
Australia.
You have come here for holiday?
I've been to Guru's first couple times. This time I come back again. Very.
Oh, your husband also has also.
Okay, ready, back. So back to your seats, please. So you are happy? Okay, now let me do. How many people, who got introduced maximum number of people? Please lift your hand. How many? 35. Okay. So, huh?
We didn't count.
We didn't count, but you know everybody here. Then we'll do a test. Okay, what is this guy's name?
I didn't meet him. Abhishek.
Abhishek. Okay. And what about the beard and tie?
Subbu.
Okay. And who has done least number of introductions? Narayana, I show. Narayana, I know. I'm trying to find if somebody else is less than Narayana.
It's not that bad.
Okay, who has done least number of introductions? Basa. Okay, come. Okay, start. 10. Actually, we should do 50. It's good for you, yoga teacher. Okay, so you have introduced, you have a, you know people who are coming, you know the people each other. Now I want to know you nobody came and introduced you to me. Okay, so I want to know about you and why are you here? It's a nice place, I know, Pyramid Valley, lot of energy, okay? It's a nice, what I'm saying is nice place to come during week of holidays. And probably for this, some people it's second honeymoon, third honeymoon, I don't know what honeymoon is this. Okay, it is a good place to come. But I want to know why you are here. Okay, so quickly you have to pass on the mic and you can introduce yourself. Yeah, stand up and.
My name is Sriram and I am from third standard. I am studying in third standard. And in Bhagavad Gita I am in third semester.
Okay.
Level is my Bhagavad Gita teacher.
Okay. So why are you here?
Because you are here.
Oh, okay.
Hi, my name is Abhishek and I'm a software engineer working at Modi Software. And primarily why I have come here is to attain peace.
Okay. By going away from home, you are attaining peace, or can you get peace here? My dear fellows, you have come to Pyramid Valley. It's full of energy. Okay, and to get the energy, you have to tap the energy. How do you tap the energy?
Hello everybody, I'm Vaishali and I'm here to realize myself and to get peace from others and from me.
You don't know yourself.
I'm Vaishali.
So then you realize yourself is what?
To realize more deep.
Hello, I'm Dhaval, Vaishali's husband, and I'm here for her to attain peace. Eventually, if she attains peace, I'll also attain peace. And since, like I told everybody, I've been telling ladies and gents are in separate dorm room, I think metamorphosis will happen easily.
I'm from Anne. I'm in first standard and I'm from Sri Kumaran Public School.
My name is S.M. Nayak, Mohandas Nayak. I am from Udupi. At present, I am staying in Bangalore. I came here to learn this meditation techniques and self-realization.
I'm Kishore. I'm a professor of veterinary anatomy. I come from Vijayawada. I'm here because I'm the brother of Prasad at his first. Then this is a family outing, that is the second point. Then to see what's happening over here and observe, because I heard a lot since the past 4 or 5 years from Prasad and family, the goodness and greatness of Sri Prabhuji and what he is propagating. So that's the reason I am here, and I am happy for that. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Dr. Annapurna from Vijayawada. I am sister of Prasad. I already had some interaction with Honorable Prabhuji, but I am here today because I think in my nature I try to absorb everything, I read books and everything, but I wanted to have a first-hand experience, that's one thing, and then I want to spend time with my family, my sister who came all the way from Australia. Thank you.
Namaste, my name is Durga. I am also related to Prasad. I am his cousin, and I came from Hyderabad today. The reason I am here, I am still searching for the answer myself, so I really don't know. Probably I'll get some guidance through Prabhuji. I will go for that. Thank you.
From Australia, this way, I'm cousin sister and your and I'm here for myself and this.
We had a secret information. We are here to make sure somehow Narayan is transformed here. Somehow change this fellow.
Hi, my name is Narayan. I am Kumar's husband, as you would have guessed by now. And also the common denominator of Prasad. He is my brother-in-law. Basically, as Guruji said, I have to learn what I am and who I am. So hopefully he'll do the transformation, the metamorphosis in me. Thank you.
I am M.G. Mulford, retired government servant. I came here to go in a journey, spiritual journey.
I don't have words to say, but Nanendudu Nanella Idenu Minabuddhi Nanella Siddhananda Shivanani Nani to realize that I am here. I am Advajati Vidyashine. I have come here to get more peace of mind and very curious of this metabolism.
Okay.
Thank you. I am Advajati Shiva Prabhu. I know what I am.
Okay.
I am Padma, a self-manager.
My name is Pawan, and I am here to lose myself, to watch self-reliance of self.
My name is Arjun. I don't know why I am here. The only thing I know is whenever Prabhuji has invited me anytime, or whenever he has told something is there, from nothing everything is created, that's all I know. So I've just come here and just see what will happen after 2 days.
Hi, I'm Maitreyi, doing my first year engineering, and I just came here to know more about metamorphosis systems.
Namaste, I'm Vaishali. Firstly, I should say I'm not Vaishali. My parents have named this firstly, and I'm through this journey. I want to understand this inner journey. I've seen a lot of outer journey all these years, but really missed out understanding the inner journey. So I think the Guruji's presence and the satsang of all such people, I think it will be more aware. So that's the purpose.
Katyayani, I just wanted to know new metamorphosis class.
You're good for what?
Metamorphosis class.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Bhavana. I have always listened to his teachings in traditional way, and this time he said he is going to do it in a modern way using physics and to teach all the younger generation. So I'm just interested to see and very curious to know how he is going to bring about the traditional way in a modern way. Yes, sir.
Hi, I'm Smita, and I've come here to see if I fit into the younger generation or the older generation. And undergo some drastic metamorphosis.
Please say your Dr. Smita.
I want to stop being Dr. Smita.
Hello, I'm Surya. Why I have come here is whenever we go to retreats like this, a great metamorphosis takes place in me. So I have come for another metamorphosis, I guess.
Hi, I am Atmajyoti Gangadhar. I am here to understand what is the transformation that we are going to do. And next week, how we are going to change is what I am curious to see and observe.
I am Atmajyoti Babu Prabhu. So this is an opportunity to be with our Reverend Guruji for 3 days. And also you all higher in the spiritual level.
People call me Atmajyoti Hussain Chennai. So I am here on the ongoing process of metamorphosis and the Supreme Truth.
Hi, I am Anil Karsul. I have been invited by Arjun Rajas. When he don't know why he is here, don't expect me.
Okay, Subbu and Gayatri.
Hi, I am Subbu. I am here to spend the weekend and pick Prabhu's brains.
And Prasad.
I am Gayatri. I am here to spend my time in presence of Guruji.
Hi, I am Prasad. I am here to spend time with Guruji and also to give an opportunity for my sisters, cousin sisters and brother-in-laws to spend time with Guruji.
Okay, good. So all of you have introduced yourself. How many of you have introduced yourself? When I say you, I asked you a question, introduce yourself. Did you say a single word about yourself? Can you tell me in a few words, what is yourself? You said, I am Narayanan. It's a name given to you. But tell me something about yourself.
Consciousness.
You say, I am consciousness. Okay, that's fine. Somewhere close. Right? Somebody else?
I am one which actually flows to everybody and which is not prevailing.
Yeah.
Indivisible.
Okay. Peace and bliss, okay? For whom? Okay. The only reason we are here is to discover yourself. To know about yourself. Okay? So this is the only purpose here. All these years, you have known so many things. You know so much about your wife, so much about your job, so much about your education, so much about society, politics, all those things you know. How much you know about yourself? You can't even write in a piece of paper that I know about myself, this much. So that is the state of affairs after all your education, all your job, all your professional experience. With all that, your understanding of yourself cannot even fit into a visiting card. A visiting card has your name, a designation, and where you come, all those things. But about yourself, you know only what is there behind the visiting card, blank. So, this is a place of self-exploration. I am not going to give you theories about self-expression. Okay, this is not a lecture hall. This is not a lecture. This is not a pravachanam where I take from scripture and quote, talk something. That also I can do, but that's separate. This is more of an interactive session. It's more of a participatory session. More of a you learn by interaction with the me, interaction with fellow participants, and interaction with the going inside, introspection. Okay. So this, I'm not going to give you information. Even though I give some information, the idea is to stimulate your thinking. That information I don't expect you to take just like that. Okay. Here I am giving information which you have to internalize, develop insights, and experience the transformation. One who gives the information is a teacher or a professor. One who preaches is a preacher. One who brings about transformation is the master. So I am here to bring the transformation, not about teaching or preaching. So that depends on how you participate, how well you participate, how you interact, how curious you are, and how open you are. That's all it is. That's all the culture is. Okay? So let us do one exercise. Where are those caps? Everybody has that? So just switch on that metamorphosis song. You have any of you have bought notebooks and papers? You have? Huh? Is there? In the bags room. Okay. So we'll break for a coffee and then we'll bring your notebooks. Here you have to carry your notebooks and note down whatever insight you get and then share, because otherwise I give some time intervals for sharing. Otherwise you immediately cannot ask questions, it will disrupt the flow. So look at, this is what metamorphosis is about. So open it there. Oh, VNC minute, sorry, VNC minute. So,
thinking a little metamorphosis. Saw something fell by my eye. Beautiful, colorful butterflies. Say, hey, caterpillar chrysalis. Thinking a little metamorphosis. Saw something fell by my eye. A beautiful, colorful butterfly. Teeny egg on tiny tree. Teeny tiny egg you see. Tiny teeny egg you see. What kind of egg could you be? An egg from a butterfly. 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 Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis. Thinking a little metamorphosis. Saw something fell by my eye. Beautiful, colorful butterflies. Say, hey, caterpillar, chrysalis. Thinking a little metamorphosis. Saw something fell by my eye. Beautiful, colorful butterfly. Teeny tiny butterfly egg. Hatched a tiny thing with legs. What's that furry crawling thing? Here's the answer, we'll all sing. Caterpillar. Caterpillar from the butterfly egg. Caterpillar. Caterpillar from the butterfly egg. Caterpillar from the butterfly egg. Caterpillar from the butterfly egg. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis. Thinking a little metamorphosis. Saw something fell by my eye. Beautiful, colorful butterflies. Say, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis. Thinking a little metamorphosis. Saw something fell by my eye. Beautiful, colorful butterfly. Caterpillar from the egg. Eating leaves, gets well fed. Caterpillar eats more leaves. Crawls around with the ants and the bees. Covered some in the chrysalis. Undergoes metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in the chrysalis. Metamorphosis in the chrysalis. Metamorphosis.
Okay, so you saw what metamorphosis is. Those of you who forgotten what metamorphosis is, because you studied it long back in your school days. Now, I'll ask you a question. Please think over, close your eyes, contemplate for a few minutes. What the word metamorphosis means to you in your life? In your life, what is the meaning of metamorphosis to you? Do you understand the question? So if metamorphosis happens in your life, what does it mean? What is that you expect from a metamorphosis in your life? Clear? Clear? So just contemplate for a few minutes and then I'll ask you, or selected few to share. Just close your eyes and contemplate what is the meaning of metamorphosis in your life. Metamorphosis for caterpillar and butterfly, you know. How does it mean? What does it mean to you? See, visualize what happens, metamorphosis happens in your life. What does it mean to you? How does it change your life? What difference it does make? You can switch on the music, it's silent. No, not that. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and visualize what happens if metamorphosis happens in your life. What is the change which can happen in your life if there's a really fundamental shift? Yeah, stop. Just take it 2 minutes. So write down clearly in few words, not essay type. Many people keep on writing essays. In few bullet points, what is the meaning of metamorphosis in your life? Done? Now quickly, can somebody share what metamorphosis means to their life? Can you pass on the mic?
Yep.
Yes, who wants to do? Who wants to say what metamorphosis means to their life?
I don't know if metamorphosis is possible in my life, but if it has happened, I think I want to become a person who has a better understanding of myself and a person with a little bit more peace and contact with myself and a little happier than I am right now. Possibly a person who is more loving and caring and also a person with a little bit more wisdom.
Thank you. Anybody else? Okay.
Laugh like a child, laugh openly like a child,
Okay.
and joy.
Anybody else?
Well, in general, I would like to be a person with better perception of myself. But one thing is that self is still evading me. Maybe I'll understand it better.
The levels of maturity we gain over a period of time.
So what I want to achieve is a state of center, state of center where there is no mind, no heart, just a pure center, where I can be a witness and do day-to-day activities with total attachment and sincerity and finally merge with the nature.
From outer world to inner self, desireless, compassion and peaceful.
When I came to know I'm not this body, life has changed like butterfly. I'm flying like butterfly happy.
Okay. At least you wait to be less. Maybe. Okay. Done? Is it complete time? Okay. Complete? So good. See, this is about an inner journey, an inner transformation. We'll do a small quick exercise because you have been sitting for a long time now. And get up. Okay, first I'll explain what is the principle. Okay, there are some people who have done the exercise, but for them to be a game. Those who have not done this exercise, get those claps. So I have some caps in my hand. Caps here. Shira will be going and putting caps on each of your head. You are not supposed to look at your cap. Okay? You can look at the other people's cap. You can always look at other people's cap, but not at your cap. Interact with the other person, and through that interaction, find out what is written in your cap. So, for example, in my cap, I am a policeman. And in your cap, you are a lecturer. So I will interact with you as if you are a lecturer, and you will interact with me as if I am a policeman. Don't give any direct answers. Okay, don't direct hints. You have to interact normally, as if the person is a policeman, as if the person is a doctor or lawyer. Okay? So you have totally 10 minutes to interaction with somebody. And within 10 minutes, if somebody has not found out who they are, then what is their punishment?
I had to take 10%.
If you don't find within 10 minutes, I have a stick here. Okay? You'll get a good thrashing, beating from this. Understand? 10 minutes is the time for you to find out what is written in your cap without seeing it, but through interaction. Clear? All of you close your eyes. Close your eyes, don't see. Okay? Don't put that, yeah, just keep it. Close. Just hold your cap so that it doesn't fall, that's all. Don't see.
Okay, next.
When I say open your eyes, you open. Before that, no. Okay, start. Now you can interact with anybody to find out what is in your head. What? Don't see. Your 10 minutes starts now. first prize. Next. Yeah, should come and tell. You got it. Huh? So, everybody got it? Who did get it? Okay. Who didn't get it? Anybody didn't get it? Not see. Okay, please sit down, take your bottle back to sleep. Go back to. Go back to your seat. Okay. So, yeah, go back to your seat, please. No. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. You have to hold it. You have to hold it. Yeah, give it back. Okay. You have to keep it with you. Come back to your seat.
Okay, I'll give you one
Abhishek.
Back. Come back. Okay. You see?
You know who took the water?
So, from this exercise, stop the music. From this simple exercise, what did you learn? Did you learn something? Yeah, Mike. Okay, actions determine the Okay, anybody else? Yes.
We define ourselves as per others.
You define yourself as others see you.
When anyone guides us, we get to know ourselves.
When anyone guides us. Okay. So anybody else?
It is as tough as knowing yourself.
As tough as knowing yourself. Okay. See, you have a label on your head, a cap on your head. Okay, it's a label. And people interact with you based on that label. People don't interact with you based on what you are, but based on what the label is. Understand? People interact based on what you are, what label is, but not what you are. Is it clear? So, you are not the label. The label is a mechanism used by people to interact with you. Is the difference you understand? But after some time, you become the label. Are you clear? Are you the label? You have a label, but you are not the label. All your miseries in life is because you have started becoming the label which is put on your head. Keep it there. No. You have started becoming the label which have people put on your head. Okay? Now let us take an example. Can you please tell me what are labels we have?
Including my name, a mother, a wife, a friend, a neighbor,
Neighbor,
an aunt,
aunt,
sister.
okay?
Yeah. And I used to be working somewhere, so I was an employee.
Employee, woman, Andhra,
Now Telangana.
Telangana, okay?
I don't know.
Okay. Happy,
Oh, you were talking about educators, yeah.
Okay.
A very patient person.
Okay.
A dumb person as well.
Okay. So, I give you an opportunity to drop all your labels. Then what will you be? You will be happy or you are happy? You will be happy in the future.
If I drop all the labels.
Alright? If you drop all the labels, you are already happy. The label is making you unhappy. How come? I am saying you are so beautiful. The beautiful label should make you happy or unhappy?
No, I had to live up to that. That becomes a burden.
You live up to that, becomes a burden. And today you are beautiful, day after tomorrow, may not be. Right? All your labels put certain expectations on you and make you behave according to the interaction which is required, and that is one of the causes of the suffering. And you take your label very seriously. How many people take their label very seriously? Please raise your hands, please.
So while we are doing that role, and actually that is a cause for all the problems. But then there is no other way out when you are doing that duty, and when you are that.
Absolutely no problem. When you are playing a role, play the role with a label. But in your mind, don't become the label.
But that separation is it can't separate it. It crosses the boundary. Yeah.
It crosses the boundary. How many people agree with this? It's not easy to separate yourself label. How many people agree with that? Wow. There are so many people believe that they cannot separate themselves from label. Is it true?
No, we can, but it needs some practice.
It needs a lot of guidance and training, and I think a lot of wisdom more than anything else.
A lot of kicks.
A lot of kicks. Okay. So have you understood? Has everybody is clear about what the problems these labels bring? Are you?
Lots of problems.
Lots of problems. When you become the label, as long as you know that it's label, there's no problem. Is it clear?
That you're a label, you will.
Sorry?
Understanding that you're still the label, it's difficult to alienate yourself from it.
Alright. So now I will give you an opportunity to drop all the labels. Okay?
There's one more question.
Yes.
First of all, it is difficult to understand what the role of the label is.
Yes.
Yeah, that itself is a difficult task.
Yes.
Being a mother is not an easy role, we all know that.
Right.
Or any, for that matter.
Right.
Being a wife. What is the role? Now we are asking us to detach ourselves from the label also. So that's even more complicated for us.
Okay. So let's understand that first. What is complicated for you about that label, dropping the label?
Dropping the label?
Yeah.
I've been known by the label for too long.
Too long.
So I'm sort of associating myself with that label.
Nobody forced you to become the label. You took the choice to become.
No, I've given birth to 2 children, so I'm a mother. So by nature I have become the label. I can't drop that now.
You are the mother of 2 children. That's why you are the mother. Is it true?
That's what I've been.
So, how many people accept that she is the mother of 2 children? They say she is a mother. Okay? Do you accept that? You are a mother or you play the role of a mother.
I hope I play the role of a mother as well, but.
So, but you are mother to 2 children. At the same time, auntie to somebody, right? And sister to somebody. You change your role according to the situation, according to whom you interact. How can you be the mother? You play the role of the
her sister.
Yeah.
But being a mother, I think is not situation because that is a reality
What?
that I cannot change.
So you cannot change the role. You cannot change the role of a mother. But are you the mother or you are playing the role of the? That difference you have to understand.
Mother and nothing else, or are you something else?
If you are the mother, you are nothing else. If you are playing the role of the mother, you are playing the role of the mother. The distinction is clear.
I think I take some time to understand. Yeah.
Okay. So anybody has confusion about this role and the label? Are you clear? You are not clear. What is not clear? What?
The role of the mother and being a mother is still the same.
Role of the mother and being the mother are very, very different.
Oh.
The moment you become the mother, then you are nothing else. You are the mother only because you are not changing. You cannot be a sister, you cannot be a wife, you cannot be anything else because you are the mother.
But she was already a sister before we became a
So,
See, even otherwise, water can become ice, but I can't say ice and water are different. See, water becomes ice if it's frozen for some time. Okay? But it's playing the role of both, isn't it? If I want to convert into water, it will become water. Right? So, I can be a sister and a mother at the same time.
right. Why you can be same? Because you are the same. You are not changed. Your role has changed. You can say, still, I am sister, I am mother. What is constant there? I am constant. That I am has not changed.
But it is different to different people.
That's why it's a role. So, you are a girl, correct? Are you sure? You are a student, right? What is common between these two? Me is the common. The me has not changed. The me appears as different things to different people. Now, our suffering in life is the role gets affected, but the role starts affecting me and it has not changed. The me is same. I am a wife. I am a mother. I am an employee. I lose my job. Okay? That role is gone, but nothing has to happen to me. Still I say, I am a mother, I am a wife. So what happens to the role? We start taking on ourselves, which is very different from playing the role. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So that I'll teach you a little bit more way, in a dramatic way. Okay? Can you please come here? Okay. So, for a moment, you have a Telugu film actor, somebody whom you like? Not any film actor. Okay? Who? Okay. So, for next 2 minutes, she is Aishwarya Rai. Yeah. Do whatever you want to do with us, Aishwarya Rai.
I can act hotly.
Whatever.
How do you want to see me as an Aishwarya Rai?
Beauty.
Beauty queen? Yeah. Where's my hand?
Okay.
I can pose.
Yeah.
Pose.
Yeah.
I can walk the van.
Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
As an ambassador for the World Beauty whatever, so how are you going to contribute to the World Bank?
I haven't thought about it. I can act dumb, right?
you played the role of Aishwarya Rai, right? While playing the role of Aishwarya Rai, did you forget that you are Durga? You are aware. Correct? Did you forget that you are a mother? No. Did you forget that you are a sister? How can you play the role of Aishwarya Rai without forgetting all this?
Because I'm actually a mother, I'm actually a sister, but I'm not actually Aishwarya Rai.
2 minutes of Aishwarya Rai. How can you say? For all of us who are paid, tell me. 2 minutes you are Aishwarya Rai. That's why you clap.
Because it's make believe, so I actually took part in it.
See, when Aishwarya Rai plays the role, or Amitabh Bachchan plays the role of a hero or villain or anything else, right? Here, one time he becomes a hero, another time he becomes a thief, another time he becomes a joker. But will you forget that he is Amitabh Bachchan anytime? No? No? Sure.
Yeah.
How?
Because he is Amitabh Bachchan.
If he forgets that he is Amitabh Bachchan and he plays the role of a thief, and he starts crying, he takes the role very seriously. Correct? Is it true? Understand? If he plays the role well, he can play the role well but still not attached to that. That's why he can play the role well. Are you understand? The moment you become seriously involved in the role, you cannot play other roles well.
He gets paid to do that. I don't get paid to be a mother or a sister.
Sure.
I think so.
Sure. It's quite expensive to be a mother, you know. How many people believe that you don't get paid to be a mother? Please raise your hands. So many mothers are there. You don't get paid to be a mother? You are not, but you don't know whether it doesn't get paid to be a mother. How many people agree?
Maybe not monetarily, but in other ways we are.
It is very, very expensive to be a mother. Okay? All your time you have to devote to the child. Your time is your currency. Okay? Understand? And child seeks attention. So, for giving the attention to child, you are exchanging your time, and child is getting your attention. So, what is child giving back to you? Affection. Are you not paid for that? And will you give anything for your life in life for the affection? So then you say you are not paid. Okay. So you understand, there is a role and there is a role play. And in that role play, the moment you forget that you are playing the role, you start becoming the role, you start taking the role seriously, anything happens to the role, you get hurt. Is the distinction very clear to you? Anybody has not understood, please raise your hands. Okay. You are playing the role of a father, a wife, or a daughter, or a sister. If you forget that you are playing the role and you become the role, okay, then anything happens to the role, you are in serious difficulty. You understand? Is this very clear to you? But deep inside, you know that you are not the role. that is the beauty of the whole situation. So you can say now, with respect to roles which you are playing, you start saying. One by one role you start saying. I am, you say, I am.
I am a daughter.
I am a daughter. Okay. Next.
I am a sister.
I am a sister. Next.
I am a wife.
Okay.
I am a daughter. I am a mother.
Okay.
I am a friend.
Okay.
I am a daughter-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah, sister-in-law.
No. You have to say, I am a sister-in-law. You have to say completely.
I am a sister-in-law.
Okay.
I was an employee.
Okay. is? I am is common. Has that got changed?
No.
Right? But your role in other roles, I was an employee, got changed. Employee got changed. Right? If somebody loses a job, they get hurt financially. But are you hurt? The I am is changed. Are you understanding? We start taking what is our role onto I am. That is the hurt. But when you speak, when you interact, you know that I am is different from the role. That's why you say I am a sister, I am a wife, I am a daughter-in-law. You say I am so and so. You know the distinction internally. But when you start interacting, you start becoming the role and start getting hurt whenever the role is affected. Do you understand the difference? Clear? So first principle of spirituality is start distinguish yourself from the role which you are playing. Understand that this is the role I am playing. I am is not affected by the role. Is it very difficult?
Difficult to follow.
Why?
In a sense, difficult to practice, I would say.
No, there's no practice because you know already. You start saying again. I am a sister. You say.
I am a sister.
Okay.
I am a daughter.
Okay.
I am a wife.
Okay.
I am a mother.
Right? So inside you, you know always I am a sister, I am a daughter. Always know. It is not required practice. Only confusion is created with roles which you people play with you. That's why it's carried. You are not confused about you internally. You are confused by the role which people play with you. What is the cap on your head? No, there is a cap there, no? Queen Elizabeth. When people started interacting with you, did you find out Queen Elizabeth? Took me some time. But the interaction confuses you, but deep inside you know that I am is different from the roles. That's why you say I am a sister, I am a mother. You understand? That doesn't require practice, it just requires awareness. Is it clear? So if you separate that I am from the role which you play, just tell me what are the hurts you have in life? What is the hurt you have in life? Hurts. I recently lost my husband. It affected your role as a wife. But what has happened to I? Because I was taken as wife. I is not a wife. I is playing the role of a wife. The role got disturbed. You didn't get disturbed. That distinction should be clear. How will it happen? We'll go through this session, we'll find out. Right? First you understand, learn to separate yourself from the role and labor which people put on you. Yes.
Can we say that I is the engine and these are bogies?
Yeah, you can say that. I is the main engine and the other roles are the bogies, like bogies. So at this moment you just understand that. How, as we go along, we start separating out this mess which we are in because of the I and I mixing up with a lot of things. Is it clear to Maitri? It's clear to you? Okay. So, is there any questions? No. Do you have a question? No. Coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
But if the bogies come to the guard, who always says you are that, you are that.
If you?
If the bogies comes to the guard, who always says you are that.
You are that.
Why is that, apart from all the roles, I don't know, this is what a person feels, having the role of a mother to disconnect that role takes a longer time.
Yeah. We'll take that, okay? We'll discuss that. We'll discuss about role. If it's a coffee time, we'll break for coffee. Okay? Have a cup of coffee.